Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Canon Mirrorless Cameras 2025, advanced features and performance. If you're looking for the perfect mirrorless camera for stunning photos and videos, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, these cameras are packed with advanced technology and features to take your creativity to the next level. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Canon EOS R5 mirrorless camera, a powerhouse designed for professionals seeking high-resolution imaging and advanced video capabilities. Equipped with a 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, this camera delivers outstanding image clarity, low light performance, and remarkable detail. The Digic X image processor enhances the experience with an ISO range of 105.1200, expandable up to 102,400, ensuring high-speed performance with reduced noise. High-speed continuous shooting reaches up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with the silent electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system offers 1,053 autofocus points, covering nearly 100% of the frame, with deep learning subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. Additionally, its eye-control autofocus allows photographers to shift focus points simply by looking at them. The Canon EOS R5 also excels in video recording, supporting 8K RAW and 4K up to 120 frames per second with autofocus, offering cinematic quality video production. Its sensor shift image stabilization ensures steady shots, even in challenging conditions. With support for multiple aspect ratios and file formats, including JPEG and RAW, this mirrorless camera is a versatile tool for both photographers and videographers. Whether capturing high-speed action or creating professional-grade video, the Canon EOS R5 is an advanced camera that delivers exceptional performance across the board. At number 4, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera stands out with its exceptional speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, this camera delivers crisp, detailed images even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor photography. The Digic X image processor enhances stabilization, image processing, and video functionality, ensuring sharp photos and high-resolution videos with minimal noise. With an impressive electronic shutter speed of up to 40 frames per second at 20 megapixels, it captures fast-moving subjects effortlessly, whether it is athletes, wildlife, or vehicles. Its advanced subject acquisition now recognizes not just people, animals, cars, and motorcycles, but also horses, trains, and aircraft, with an automatic subject selection feature. The head, face, and eye detection system ensures precise focus on people and animals, effectively tracking their movement for both stills and video. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is built for content creators, offering up to 6 hours of continuous Full HD recording and 6K oversampled 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. A Full HD high frame rate mode allows for slow motion capture at 180 frames per second without overheating. Wireless communication is seamless with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5, enabling quick sharing via the Canon Camera Connect app. For wired transfers, the USB Type-C port ensures fast 10 gigabits per second data speeds. A 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen and a precision 0.5-inch OLED electronic viewfinder with a 120 Hz refresh rate provide a bright, responsive shooting experience. Whether for high-speed action shots or professional-grade video, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is an advanced mirrorless camera built for performance. Next on our list is the Canon EOS R7 mirrorless camera, an advanced APS-C model built for photographers and videographers who need speed, precision, and portability. Equipped with a 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, it offers impressive telephoto reach while maintaining high image quality, making it perfect for wildlife, sports, and action photography. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system features up to 651 autofocus zones, utilizing every pixel on the sensor to detect and track subjects with remarkable accuracy. Covering nearly 100% of the frame, it ensures crisp and clear shots whether capturing fast-moving animals, cars, or everyday moments. High-speed continuous shooting reaches 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, while raw burst mode with a half-second pre-shooting feature ensures you never miss a crucial moment. A 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, combined with auto-level technology, delivers shake-free images and smooth video, even in challenging conditions. Designed for videographers, the EOS R7 records high-quality 4K video with movie servo autofocus, which includes subject detection and tracking for sharp, professional footage. Unlike many cameras, it allows for recording times over 30 minutes, making it an excellent option for vlogging or extended video sessions. The included LPE6NH battery ensures longer shooting capabilities, ideal for creators on the move. Despite its powerful features, the Canon EOS R7 remains lightweight and compact, featuring an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. Whether you are capturing stunning stills or high-resolution video, this camera is a versatile and reliable option for those who demand performance in a portable design. Taking the second spot is the Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Camera, a compact yet powerful option designed for photographers and content creators who need speed and versatility. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, this camera delivers crisp, high-quality images with excellent detail. Powered by the Digic X image processor, it enhances overall performance, ensuring sharp photos and ultra-high-definition video recording with minimal noise. The high-speed continuous shooting capability reaches up to 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects without missing a moment. Equipped with smart subject detection autofocus, the EOS R10 keeps people, animals, and objects in sharp focus, even during dynamic movement. The digital image stabilization system helps reduce camera shake for steadier shots and smoother videos. Its vibrant anti-smudge coated LCD screen provides clear image previews, making shot composition more precise. Designed for flexibility, this camera is compatible with Canon RFS and RF lenses, as well as EF and EFS lenses when using the mount adapter EF-EOS-R. Powering the EOS R10 is a Canon LPE17 battery pack, and with the optional USB power adapter PDE, users can conveniently charge the battery without removing it from the camera. Built with portability in mind, the EOS R10 features a firm, ergonomic grip and a lightweight, compact design that easily fits into any camera bag. Whether capturing stunning landscapes, action-packed scenes, or high-resolution videos, this mirrorless camera delivers exceptional performance in a travel-friendly form factor, making it an excellent choice for both photography enthusiasts and professionals on the go. At the top of our list is the Canon EOS R8 Mirrorless Camera, a full-frame powerhouse designed for photographers and videographers who demand high performance in a compact body. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and the Digic X image processor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality with improved resolution at low ISO speeds and reduced noise at high ISO settings. The advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system covers up to 100% of the frame with 1053 autofocus zones, offering precise subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, now including aircraft, trains, and horses. The EOS R8 excels in video capabilities, recording uncropped 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K for outstanding detail. It also supports Full HD high frame rate recording at up to 180 frames per second and professional-grade Canon Log3 or HDR-PQ for cinematic results. With a maximum movie recording time of 2 hours and built-in UVC UAC support, it functions as a high-quality webcam for streaming. The camera's electronic viewfinder features a 2.36 million OLED display with a 120 frames per second refresh rate, while the 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD enhances shooting flexibility. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it the lightest full-frame RF mount mirrorless camera in Canon's lineup, ensuring portability without compromising performance. With an expanded ISO range of up to 102,400, the EOS R8 captures incredible low-light shots with a wide dynamic range. The improved rolling shutter performance allows for smooth image capture during fast panning and action shots. Whether shooting stills or video, this mirrorless camera offers a perfect balance of power, speed, and convenience, making it a top choice for content creators and professionals alike.